cut my for true. Anyway, now one next one now him texted for me. Him living a day. Boy, I don't really want to certain things. One next one texted for me, you know. Just to back me up at night time when me I come in. Push him out for me. And say you're a big girl now. You can take hold. Blood clot. I said, Judge of Father God, what is for me? I brace him out for me, you know. I say, you can't take it now, you're a big girl. You used to threaten me, say, anyhow, me no give him the front or whatever. You know what got happen? I decide to say no. Say no, say one night the boy decided to fed up on me and give me some blood clot box. Come nice out and not hear what me I say. Ma get some box. And not him and my father. Would you ever get box in your ears hot and whistle? This is not a joking matter. I get box in my ears whistle. And the same teeth. The same teeth. I bite up in blood clot. Him beat me up, you know. A man that in a big boy, you know. Beat him up, you know. I have one clock my mother sent from England for me. You draw the front test on it, a cheese, white cheese. I'm see my blood clot shoes. I'm say, Father God, me no know where so much power coming in one shoes. I say, people, I kick, I take out my shoes, I beat him with my shoes. And them time that me I tell you, say, I don't know where I get strength from, but I strong, I swing him. And all me I swing him, I know me I get the blood clot like them, because a man like me can't manage them. Them man there, but me fight. And I just ball out and say, oh no, figure, kill me! Lord, one having him, I say, I forgot, kill me. I say, I not stop till I kill one of you know. I say, I have to kill somebody before I left that so. Hey, listen, man. I not hear, I never hear when my father talk. Every time I walk down a shit lane, I hear somebody call me. Over 1 yard, this is somebody with me trust. I hear the person call me, you know me, I say, I'm my friend voice, I'm going to go over there. See, by the time I pull the door, and open the door, 14 boy. If you watch the dollar. I want to hear what me I say, you know. I want to hear what me I say. And people don't know if take heed, don't know if listen when the parents talk. Love man. No listen to parents. Take heed, don't know if listen. Love man for later man not done. Big woman life not done. Party not done, and if hear. All my father try warn me and I hear a love man too much. I know me not hear about him man part, but other things apply. No for listen, big woman things not run away. Me say, God, I miss him out of rape because too much of trauma. Me don't go through. The boy call me. Friend, you know, because me a town boy, you know, me a par with the boy, them, you know, too, you know. They get me wrong, you know. Me a par with the youth, them, you know. In my tube top and my big pants, you know. Go say no, boom, the boy call me over there. Say, I see go in the room. You know, I'm not going to call the people in name. Be a boy, I say I come out. And I just stand up, son, and look at him and I say, are this really going to do to me? And me and your friend? Me and your friend, you really do this to me? I don't go hear one woman ball out, loud the people that beat me. I'm run out and go to my father. My ball and tell my father. And I say my father paralyzed. The same night there, my father, I don't know how to explain it. They have people were paralyzed. So yeah, we have like, oh yeah, that's it. You don't have like things like, alright, I don't know if I explain, like, you know, I used to walk before. Him used to walking, and like on Thursday, I would go put out him chapalin and fix up him shop for go sell on the Friday. Zin? So he must say now mentally today Thursday I need to get up and go put on the chapalin pan this something. Remember my father paralyzed, you know. My father, yeah, muscle memory, right? So you know my father get up now and just walk to the door, you know. I paralyze the man, you know. And drop, you know. Not even want to have certain things. My father get up and drop. Drop flat ground. And them time my father there at hospital for months, so he never did small no more. Him get big. Him swell up big. So him get up off my bed and run go to the door and end up drop, lick him head. You know my brother lick a sudden time there. So you know say me, I have to lift him up. Boy, I don't know.